Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ola Banks. In today's video, I just want to quickly show you or teach you guys a simple price action strategy that you can easily make money from without stress. You feel me? Without no hard labor. It is not complicated at all. It is very, very simple and easy to relate to and simple to apply. You feel me? Provided you follow literally everything I'm gonna be showing you and explaining to you on this video. You feel me? It's the same strategy I used to catch this particular trade you are looking at right here on Euro USD. You feel me? So it is very, very, it's something I use personally. It's not just an ordinary or just a random video, a random strategy for content sake. No, I will just get straight into my chart now and I will show you guys literally everything. This is my chart here now. I would love to clear the chart, remove everything. So one thing you have to keep in mind about this strategy is that it is a rule-based strategy. You feel me? If you can follow the rule and apply everything just like I said, you definitely make money. You feel me? We have just five things basically, very, very simple things for you to follow. Number one is trend precision. Number two is accurate bias. Number three is look for possible reversal or pullback zone or level. Number four is precise entry and exit. And the last one, number five, is proper trade management. You feel me? Back to my chart. I usually tell you guys that you need a higher time frame. If you haven't watched my top-down analysis, go and watch it after this video. I'll tag it up here and it will also be in the description below. You feel me? We need the higher time frame in order for us to see the bigger picture of the market. Where the market is going, the reversal point, or maybe it's just a pullback, or and to have literally everything we just need the higher time frame for it. That's the main story here. You feel me? So now on my higher time frame, you could see, if you just vet it from this place to this place, you could see what is happening here is a sell. The market is in a sell trend. Knowing the trend is selling, we are looking for a bias, right? Now, to get a proper bias, I just need to look for our number three, looking for a possible reversal level or zone. You feel me? So how do we get that? I've told you guys, if you can't see things well, this is my own support. This is my own resistance rather. I literally use this resistance on the higher time frame. My higher time frame here is the H4, right? Now here I'm seeing the market is selling already. So if you just go down to the lower time frame on the 15-minute time frame, you remember all these things had happened already. This is where we want to analyze, because this is where I took the trade from. Here, but I just want us to know how we got there. That's why I'm explaining all these ones. You feel me? Now, since the market rejected from this place, it has been dropping, meaning our lower time frame does tally with the higher time frame. Our higher time frame is selling now, our lower time frame is selling as well. You feel me? And just quickly use 4 for it to be tick, so you know. So now our lower time frame is selling as well. You could see it tallies very well. Now we've got our trend, we've got our bias. Our bias is selling. Our trend is selling, and our bias is we also want to look for sell opportunity. That is our bias. You feel me? We want to flow with the sell. That's our bias. Two is looking for And the third one is looking for possible reversal zones or level, which we did on the higher time frame, and we are still going to repeat same thing on the lower time frame. Now, what how I did that was, the trend line is here. Now I want to look for possible reversal zone. This is part of the reversal zone. Remember, the price has not gotten here yet, so we'll mark this out. Then another thing I want to look for is around this region or around this zone. I want to look for something like a level that tallies with that zone or level. You feel me? A level that tally with that zone. You feel me? How did I do it? I went to my lined chart and used this, mark this out. You feel me? The major touches, there were major touches here, major touches from here like this. There were major touches here. That's why I marked that place out. So that's how I got my possible reversal level. Now it tallies with my trend line. It does tallies with my trend line. It tallies with my resistance. Now you know this is a resistance, a major resistance for this particular analysis. For this particular analysis, this level is a major resistance, right? But I'll just delete this trend line. I'll just delete this trend line. I'll just delete that trend line. So for the number 4, I said precise entry and exit. You can't miss that. You feel me? For you not to have wasted effort. So for how I got my entry, after knowing that this is where the price is gonna move out, where the price is gonna like possibly reverse from. You feel me? Like I always say, trade the reaction, don't push the market, don't chase at all. So according to what I see here is what will tell me what to do. You feel me? So for my entry, for my own particular entry, I had an aggressive entry because I was very, very sure that the price will most definitely come here. But nonetheless, I still had to wait for some confirmation, right? So initially, this was after this candle. This is where, around this place is where my entry was. My main entry is supposed to be around this place. I think this place, right? Around this place. And my stop loss was just slightly above this place, about just 5 pips. 5 pips, you feel me? It was not wide at all. Very, very simple. Now that's how I got my entry. And for my exit, I didn't just use anyhow exit. I used a realistic take profit. For that take profit on the higher time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, I knew the market was gonna come here. This is supposed to be my take profit. My mentees will know this. You might not know how I arrive at this place, but I knew the market. I was very, very sure the market would get here, but I still had to use something more realistic, which is this one. Just simple term: support become resistance. This can possibly, it can be a possible resistance, a possible support for where a possible support that will make the market react and reverse off of that level. You feel me? Reverse from there, start buying, or maybe have a crazy retracement even before selling, even before continuing the sell, right? And it might take us out. You feel me? That's why I choose that place. Now, if we go back to the lower time frame, back to the 5 minutes, you see it. This is where I had my take profit. It is as simple as that. You feel me? So that's all for this video. If you find it educative, if you learn anything from it, do make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And I'll catch you guys on another one. Peace.